Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Eric and you're at Gagne Farms, and today I'm going to do a quick video on a raw vegetable dip. This is something that we use at all our family gatherings. This is a recipe from my grandmother. It's hands down one of the best veggie dips you've ever had. First of all, I'm going to show you guys the secret ingredient because we need to get that warming up in the microwave right away. And that is some Kraft Old English cheese spread. And what we're going to do is we're just going to pop the top on this and we're going to warm it up in the microwave just a little bit, just to get it out of the jar easier. Alright, so while that's warming up in the microwave, we're going to put in a half a cup of Miracle Whip. We have half a cup of sour cream. Goes into the bowl as well. Next we have a tablespoon of Lipton onion soup mix. This is a tablespoon. About that much. Half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And I like just a little bit more. Grandma said a half. Alright, and then we're going to get our cheese spread from the microwave. Alright, well, that was about 30 seconds in the microwave. Just about right. That cheese spread is kind of tough to get out of the bowl. Alright. Now we're just going to mix it all up. Get all that incorporated. You could use your KitchenAid mixer to mix this up as well. I like the spoon method. This goes great with any kind of veggies. We like cauliflower, broccoli, and carrots around here at Gagne Farms. But this veggie dip with the Old English spread is one of my favorites. I can sit down and eat a whole head of cauliflower with a little bit of this stuff right there and have no problem at all. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to get our veggie platter out here. Dump her in this dish. Look at that. I'm going to taste this right now. Let's see how I did this time. That's so good. One pro tip from me, guys, is to put this in the refrigerator for about half hour, 45 minutes. Just let it get chilled down a little bit. It tastes 100% better than what it does right now. But you can, if you're in a hurry, you're whipping this together before all your guests arrive at Thanksgiving dinner, you can throw this on the table just like it is. That's it, guys. Simple raw vegetable dip. You can whip up in just a few minutes here. And this is hands down one of our favorites here at Gagne Farms. Thanks again, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.